Hello student, good morning. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I will continue from the last class. Last class I was discussing questions based on chemical equation, balancing of chemical equation and calculation using chemical equations. Up to 101 I have discussed. Now I will continue from 102. Okay, question I am now telling you. Now try to understand. Actually all are numericals only. Then now I am reading the question. If all Zn and Fe scraps had the same rate per kg, then for the production of H2 by action of dilute H2SO4. Again I am repeating the question. If aluminum, zinc and iron scraps had the same rate per kg, then the production of H2 by action of dilute H2SO4. Four options are there. First option, Fe will be cheapest and aluminum will be costliest. Second option, aluminum will be cheapest and Zn will be costliest. Third option, Fe will be cheapest and Zn will be costliest. And fourth option is Zn will be cheapest and aluminum will be costliest. Means now you have to tell which process will be easy. You have to produce hydrogen gas by action of dilute H2SO4. Three metals you have to use: aluminum, Zn and iron scraps. From this aluminum, Zn and Fe means iron scraps you have to use. Then which will be the you can say cheapest, or you can say option is given, four option, which will be correct. First option is Fe will be cheapest and aluminum will be costliest. This is the first option. Second option is aluminum will be cheapest and Zn will be costliest. Third option, Fe will be cheapest and Zn will be costliest. Fourth option, Zn will be cheapest and aluminum will be costliest. You have which one is correct? Which option is correct, that you have to tell. Again one more time I am telling you. First option, actually aluminum, Zn and ferrous scraps. By using aluminum, Zn and ferrous scrap, you have to produce hydrogen gas by action of dilute H2SO4. Then which will be of this four option, which one is correct option? First option, Fe will be cheapest and aluminum will be costliest. Second option, aluminum will be cheapest and Zn will be costliest. Third option, Fe will be cheapest and Zn will be costliest. Fourth option, Zn will be cheapest and aluminum will be costliest. It is somewhat long question, but very interesting question. You should keep a pen and paper with you. Then only then you can tell the answer. I will tell the solution. Okay, how will you solve? How you will get correct answer? That I will tell you now. Okay. Here what you have to do, you have to write all reaction, all four reaction, means production of H2 from aluminum, production of Zn, production of H2 from Zn, production of H2 from Fe. That reaction first to write. Okay, means production of H2 from aluminum. From aluminum and H2SO4 means aluminum plus H2SO4, Zn plus H2SO4, Fe plus H2SO4. Okay, and their rate is same, rate per kg is same. Then first you write the reaction, all three reaction. Then only you can get the answer. This is a very good question. Okay. Then now I am telling you, first reaction you write aluminum plus H2SO4. Balance reaction if you write, you will get 2Al plus 3H2SO4. You will get Al2SO4 whole 3 plus 3H2. Then 2 aluminum means 2 into 27. Aluminum atomic weight is 27. Then 2 into 27, that is the 54 gram. That will give you 3H2. Means H2 means 2 gram. Then 3H2 means 6 gram. It means 54 gram. 54 gram aluminum will give 6 gram hydrogen. Okay. Now 2 gram hydrogen. 2 gram hydrogen. That is equal to what? 2 gram H2 means 18 gram. How? 2 gram H2 means 18 gram. We think how? Okay. Now second reaction write. Here you have calculated that 6 gram, for 6 gram H2 you require 54 gram aluminum. Then for 2 gram, because you want only H2, 1 H2 means 2 gram. Then 6 gram is giving 54 gram. Then 2 gram, it will give how much? 18 gram. Very easy. Okay. Then now like that way, you have calculated for 2 gram H2, 18 gram aluminum is required. Now next reaction, Zn plus H2SO4. ZnSO4 plus H2. Then now same way, atomic weight of Zn is 65 gram. Then it is giving 2 gram H2. Means 2 gram H2 gas. For 2 gram H2 gas, 65 gram Zn is required. And third reaction is Fe plus H2SO4. FeSO4 plus H2. Then here Fe means 56 gram. Then for 2 gram you require 56 gram iron. Then now you consider all you have calculated only for 2 gram hydrogen. For the 2 gram hydrogen, 18 gram aluminum is required. Rate is same. All three metal has same rate. Then for 2 gram hydrogen, 18 gram aluminum is required. Correct? And for these things, from iron, from Zn, from Zn for 2 gram H2 required 65 gram Zn. And for third, iron, Fe plus H2SO4, for 2 gram H2 you require 56 gram iron. Then you have calculated for all three, aluminum, Zn and iron. For the 2 gram, one is required 18 gram, other is required 65 gram, and third one is required 56 gram. And rate is same. Rate is same. Then what will be the correct answer now? Then the correct answer will be option 2. Option 2, second option. Aluminum will be cheapest and Zn will be costliest. Now you can compare this. You have calculated for 2 gram hydrogen gas all three. Then by seeing this calculation, you will find that aluminum will be cheapest, only 18 rupees. Correct? 18. And Zn will be costliest, 65. Hence option B is correct. This type of question is generally asked in IIT Advanced. Now next question I am reading. Question number 103. 10 gram of a piece of marble was put into excess of dilute HCl. When the reaction was complete, 1120 cc of CO2 was obtained at STP. The percentage of calcium carbonate in the material is option first 25%, second option is 50%, third option is 75%, fourth option is 10%. It is again very good question, and this type of question will be asked in advance or for this A.I.M.S. Okay, generally this is a tough question, but you can solve it easily. I am telling you, keep pen and paper with you, then only you will also try. Again, the question I am reading. 10 gram of a piece of marble. Marble means what? Calcium carbonate. Correct? That is the must. Then question I am reading. 10 gram of a piece of marble was put into excess of dilute HCl. Means both will react. Marble will react with HCl. It will form carbon dioxide. You remember. When the reaction was complete, 1120 cubic centimeter of CO2 was obtained at STP. The percentage of calcium carbonate in the marble is. Now you tell. First option is 25%, second is 50%, third is 75%, fourth is 10%. Which one is correct? You think. You can solve it very easily. Just to think. Its correct option will be 50%. 50%. Now, how that I am telling you. This is actually question number 103. Okay. Now just I am going to explain it. How 50%. Okay. Then now you have to write the first reaction. Actually, these questions are based on the chemical reaction. Okay. Then you have to write the here reaction. Then calcium carbonate plus 2HCl. Balanced equation you write. Then you will get calcium chloride plus H2O plus CO2. Then CO2 at STP, how much gas it will give? Then 22,400 ml or cc. Means calcium carbonate, its molecular mass is 100. Means 100 gram will give 22,400 cc. 22,400 cc gas, carbon dioxide gas. Then for 1120, it has given 1120. Then easily you can calculate 22,400 you are getting from 100 gram. Then 1120 you will get from how much? Then 22,400 from the 22,400 you are getting from 100. Then for 1. Then for 1120 it will come 5 gram. 5 gram. Then what is the percentage? 5 gram calcium carbonate is required. Then percentage of calcium carbonate, how much? From this you have taken 10 gram. According to the question, you have taken 10 gram. Correct? Then what will be the percentage? 5 gram. From the 5 gram you will get 1120. Then what is percentage? You have taken 10 gram. Then 5%, 5 gram is used up. Then 5 gram is remaining. Means 50%. Out of 10 gram, So 5 gram has given 1120. Hence it is 50%, 5 by 10 into 100. Okay, then answer, correct answer will be option B, 50%. Okay, the percentage of calcium carbonate in the marble is 50%. Other things, rest 5% are other things, maybe impurities. Now next question I am telling you, 104, question 104. 20 cc of carbon dioxide are passed over red hot coke. Red hot coke. The volume of carbon monoxide, means CO, evolved is, again you listen, 20 cc of CO2, carbon dioxide gas are passed over red hot coke. The volume of CO evolved is, how much carbon monoxide it will evolve. Option 1 is 10 cc, option 2 is 20 cc, third is 30 cc, fourth is 40 cc. Again it is easy. If you write the reaction, easily you can solve. Question again I am reading one more time. 20 cc of CO2 are passed over red hot coke. The volume of CO evolved is carbon monoxide. Actually carbon dioxide will give carbon monoxide when you will pass over red hot coke. Then 20 cc of CO2 are passed over red hot coke. The volume of CO evolved is, first option is 10 cc, second option is 20 cc, third option is 30 cc, fourth option is 40 cc. Now think, you can easily solve it. Now just to think, its a correct option is 40 cc. 40 cc. How it will come 40 cc? Now I am telling you. You write the balanced equation first. C plus CO2, red coke means carbon. Then C plus CO2, that will give 2CO, carbon monoxide. Means balance you get C plus CO2 means 1 mole or 1 cc. Now it is giving 2CO means 2 cc, means a double. Hence 20 cc CO2 will give 40 cc. 20 cc of carbon dioxide will give 40 cc carbon monoxide. Hence fourth option is correct, D, 40 cc. Next question is 105. Air contains nearly 20% oxygen by volume. The volume of air needed to complete combustion of 100 cc of acetylene will be. Again I am reading the question, you can think. Air contains nearly 20% oxygen by volume. The volume of air needed for complete combustion of 100 cc of acetylene will be. Option 1 500 cc, option 2 100 cc, option 3 250 cc, option 4 1250 cc. Just to think, this also you can answer. You know that air is required. Air is required for combustion. And now this also you can solve very easily. Think. Its a correct option is 1250. Fourth option 1250 cc. Now how it will come? Then I am telling you. Now listen. First, to write the balanced reaction, to write the balanced equation, acetylene plus O2. Acetylene plus O2. Acetylene means C2H2 plus O2. Then balanced equation you will write, if you write, then you have to write 2C2H2 plus 5O2. It will give 4CO2 plus 2H2O. Means 2 cc is required, 5 cc oxygen. 2C2H2 plus 5O2. It is giving 4CO2 plus 2H2O. Then for complete combustion, 2 cc acetylene requires 5 cc oxygen. Then for 100 cc acetylene, how much oxygen will require? Easily you can calculate. For 2 cc, 5 cc oxygen required. For 1 cc, how much? Then for 100 cc, how much? It will become 5 by 2 divided by 100. It will become 250 cc. Means 250 cc oxygen is required. Then to get the then how will you get 250 cc oxygen from air? In air 20% is there. It is given. In air 20% oxygen is there, but it requires 250 cc oxygen. Then now easily can calculate air needed will be what? In air 20% oxygen is there. Then for 20%, for 20 cc oxygen, 100 cc oxygen will be required. Then for 1, then for 250 cc, how much? Then after solving, you will get 1250 cc. Hence correct option is option D, last option, 1250. Now next question I am telling you, 106. Consider the following data. Data is given. Two elements are given, element A, element B. Element A atomic weight is given 12 and element B atomic weight is 35.5. Element A atomic weight is 12. It means it is 100% it will be carbon. And B, element B, its atomic weight is 35.5. Then 100% it will be chlorine. Okay. Anyhow, again you just listen the question. Then A has atomic weight 12, B has 35.5. A and B combine to form a new substance X. A and B combine to form a new substance X. If 4 moles of B combine with 1 mole of A to give 1 mole of X, you will get 1 mole of X. Then the weight of 1 mole of X, means molecular weight of X you have to calculate. A and B will combine, it will form X. What is its molecular mass? You have to calculate. 1 mole of X means what? Weight of 1 mole of X means molecular mass. Then option A is 47.5. Option B is 83 gram. Option C is 154. Option D is 166. Again I am reading the question. That atomic weight already told you for both. A and B combine to form a new substance X. If 4 moles of B combine with 1 mole of A, means A plus 4B, to give 1 mole of X, then weight of 1 mole of X is first option 47.5, second option 83 gram, third option 154 gram, fourth option 166 gram. Just to think, you can solve it actually. Easily you can solve. Just to use just to think how will you get it. Okay. Just to think 1 minute. Its correct option is this correct answer will be 154 gram. 154 gram means option C. But how how, then now I am telling you. Okay, then here reaction you have to write A plus 4B. It is giving X, then obviously X will be AB4. A plus 4B means that is X, or you can tell AB4. Hence 1 mole of X, AB4, AB4, what is the molecular weight? A is 12 and B4, then 4 into 35.5. It is given in question, B is equal to 35.5, means 12 plus 4 into 35.5. If you will add both, you will get 154 gram. Hence, correct option is third option C, 154 gram. Now, next question I am telling you, 27 gram of aluminum. Atomic mass is given 27. 27 gram of aluminum will react completely with oxygen equal to option A 24 gram, option B 8 gram, option C 40 gram, option D 10 gram. Just to think, this also you can solve it by writing the equation. Okay, again one more time I am reading the question. 27 gram of aluminum, atomic mass is given 27, will react completely with oxygen equal to option A 24 gram, option B 8 gram, option G 40 gram, option D 10 gram. Means reaction if you will write, then quickly you can answer. Just to think. Its correct option will be 24 gram. 24 gram. How? Then very easily you can tell. You have to write the balanced equation, aluminum plus oxygen. That reaction balanced equation you have to write. Then this reaction is common. Aluminum plus oxygen you will get Al2O3. Al2O3 means 3 oxygen is required. Al2O3. Then here actually balanced equation will be 4Al plus 3O2. You will get 2Al2O3. 2Al2O3 means 4 into Al means 4 into 27 gram. 4 into 27 gram will give you 3 into 32 gram. For a complete reaction 3 O2. O2 means 32 gram. Then 3O2 means 3 into 32 gram. Then 4 into 27 gram will require 3 into 32 gram oxygen. Then for 27 gram how much? Then 3 into 32. 3 into 32 divided by 4 you can write very easily. That is 24 gram. Means 4 into 27 gram will give 3 into 32 gram oxygen. Then for 1 gram, then for 27 gram. Then it will come 3, all things will be cancelled. It will come for the 27 gram you are calculating. Then 3 into 32. 3 into 32 divided by 4. That is the 24 gram. For 27 gram how much you have to calculate? Then 4 into 27. 4 into 27 grams. For 4 into 27 gram require 3 into 32 means 96 gram oxygen. Then for 1 how much? 96 divided by 4 into 27. Then for 27 how much? 27 will be cancelled. Then 96 by 4, that is the 24 gram. Hence correct option is first A. A is the correct option, 24 gram. Now one more question I want to discuss. 108. The moles of O2. The moles of O2 required for reacting with 6.8 gram of ammonia. Actually here you have to balance it. Okay. Reaction is given in a unbalanced. You have to balance it. Only then you can solve it. Then question I am again reading. The moles of O2 required for reacting with 6.8 gram of ammonia. The moles of O2 required for reacting with 6.8 gram of ammonia. It is given, in question is given, reaction is given NH3 plus O2. It is giving two product NO plus H2O. You have to balance it. Then you can calculate. Then NH3 plus O2. How will it react? That you have to write first. Only then you can tell the answer. Option is first 5. Second option is 2.5. Third option is 1. Fourth option is 0.5. Then correct option simply you can't tell. You have to first balance it. Then according to the question you have to calculate. Okay. You have to calculate for 6.8 gram of ammonia. The moles of O2 required for reacting 6.8 gram of ammonia. Then first to balance it. Then NH3 plus O2. It is giving NO plus H2O. Balance it first. Then think. You should balance it actually. Then here reaction will take place. NH3 plus O2 means it will give actually NO plus H2O. Then balance, they are also common reaction. 4NH3 plus 5O2. 4NH3 plus 5O2. It gives 4NO plus 6H2O. You have to write the coefficient. You have to balance it. Then you can calculate. For 4NH3, it requires 5O2. 5O2 means 5 moles. 4NH3 means 4 mole ammonia. 4 mole ammonia means NH3 means 17 gram. 14 plus 3. Then 4 into 17 gram. That is the 68 gram. 68 gram requires 5 moles oxygen. 68 gram requires 5 moles of oxygen. Then 6.8 gram of ammonia. How much it will require? 6.8 gram of ammonia will react with oxygen. How much? Half mole. 0.5 mole. You can calculate it very easily. 68 gram, 5 moles is required. Then for 1 mole, 5 by 68. Then for 6.8, only point difference is there. 5 by 10 means 0.5 mole. That is the half mole. Then correct option will be last option, D, 0.5. 0.5. Now I am stopping only here. Next class I will start with only competitive examination questions, which the question which are asked either in medical, engineering, IIT, AIMS. That question I will discuss from the next class. Okay, thank you.